Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Chhadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 7th maths and our chapter is practical geometry. That is our 10th chapter. Okay, and in this chapter we learn how to draw a parallel line. If the line given, if the point given outside it. Okay, and how to draw a perpendicular bisector of any number. Okay, how to draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, and also we also know what is transversal. Okay, what is alternate angle, what is corresponding angle, and what is interior alternate angle, and what is parallel line axioms. Okay, if two lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal. If two lines are parallel, then their corresponding angles are equal, and if two lines are parallel, then its same angle of same side of transversal is equal. Interior angle of same side of a transversal is equal. Okay, so we learn these all things in this chapter. I hope you are completed 10.1 and 10.2 also. Okay, understand? In 10.2 we learn how to construct a triangle when all the three sides are given. Okay, now constructing a triangle when the length of two sides and the measure of the angle between them are known, that is SAS criteria. Okay, we learn these all criteria in triangle and its property. Okay, we learn congruence of triangle also, so you know what is SAS criteria. Okay, so in SAS criteria we know there are two lines and angle between them is given. If the two lines, two sides and angle between them is given, then how to construct a triangle. Okay, so today we learn this way how to construct a triangle when two lines and two sides and angle between them is given. Okay, understand? So first of all, okay, so first of all, here we have two sides given and the one angle between them. We first draw a sketch and a rough sketch and then draw one of the given line segment. The other step follow. हम क्या करेंगे, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 देख करके उसके हिसाब से चलेंगे. ओके, सो हियर एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 में हमें दिया है कंस्ट्रक्ट अ ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर given that PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter and angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so if angle is given and two sides is given, then what we can do, first of all we can draw a rough sketch. Okay, हमने क्या किया, जो दो साइड हमें दी हुई थी that is 5.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay, so first of all we can draw a QR that is 5.5 centimeter. First we draw a rough sketch with given measure. This help us to determine the procedure in construction. Okay, हमने rough sketch draw कर लिया. Now draw a line segment QR of length 5.5 centimeter. हमने क्या किया, first we can draw a line segment 5.5 centimeter. It's given. Okay, now at Q draw QX making 60 degree. ओके, 60 डिग्री का एंगल हम बना सकते हैं. हम दो तरीके से बना सकते हैं 60 डिग्री का एंगल. यू ऑल आर नो. फर्स्ट अगर आप प्रोटेक्टर की हेल्प से बनाना चाहते हैं सो यू कैन, एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू ड्रॉ अ 60 डिग्री एंगल देन व्हाट यू कैन डू, क्यू पर आपने क्या करना है, एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना है एंड विदाउट चेंजिंग दिस आर्क यू कैन ड्रॉ द एंगल. दिस इज योर 60 डिग्री एंगल. ओके, so if you want to draw the angle, so first of all you can draw QX that is 60 degree. Okay, now we know Q से P का distance कितना है, it's given. To fix P, the distance QP has been given. With Q as a center, draw an arc of radius 3 centimeter. हमने 3 centimeter का arc लेकर के कट करा. It cut QX at the point P. Okay, understand? Now ज्वाइन पी आर. अब हमने क्या किया, पी आर को ज्वाइन कर दिया. सो एंगल पी क्यू, ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर इज नाउ ऑब्टेन. सो हमें क्या मिल गया, ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर वी ऑब्टेन. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज अवर रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल. ओके स्टूडेंट, अंडरस्टैंड? सो व्हाट वी कैन डू हियर, we can if two sides and angle between them is given, then we construct a triangle easily. Okay, understand? So let us now construct another triangle. अगर हमें ABC कोई triangle construct करना है जिसमें AB is given, BC is given and angle ABC is 60 degree, so we can easily draw it. Okay, understand? In the above construction, length of two sides and measure of one angle are given. Okay, now study the following problem. अगर हमें दो साइड और जो उनके बीच का एंगल दिया हुआ था. ओके, नाउ अगर हमारे पास में इस टाइप का कोई प्रॉब्लम है वेयर ए बी एंड ए सी इज गिवन एंड एंगल सी इज गिवन, कैन वी ड्रॉ दिस ट्रायंगल? वी मे ड्रॉ ए सी इज इक्वल टू 5 centimeter and draw angle C measure of 30 degree. CA is one arm of angle C, so point B should be laying on the other arm. Okay, but observe that point B cannot be located uniquely. हम इस कंडीशन में पॉइंट बी को लोकेट नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगर हमने सी ए ड्रॉ बी सी ड्रॉ भी कर दिया 5.5, okay, in this condition we can draw the angle that is 5.5. Suppose AC is 5 centimeter, so we can draw AC that is 5 centimeter. Okay, now एंगल सी हमें दिया हुआ है 30 डिग्री, सो वी कैन ड्रॉ एंगल सी एट 30 डिग्री. बट ए सी दैट इज सॉरी ए बी इज 3 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ ए बी 3 सेंटीमीटर तो है, बट वो ए कहाँ किस साइड पर होगा? 3 सेंटीमीटर अगर आप ए बी पर बनाएंगे तो वो इस साइड पर भी हो सकता है, इस पर भी हो सकता है, यहाँ पर भी हो सकता है, कहीं भी हो सकता है. ओके, सो 3 सेंटीमीटर अगर हमारे पास में ए बी है, सी अगर हमने ये ए सी ड्रॉ किया है दैट इज़ 5 सेंटीमीटर, एंगल भी बना दिया हमने सी पर, बट हमारे पास में बी पॉइंट जो है वो हमें यूनिकली पता नहीं है वो किस साइड पर है. ओके, सो नाउ ट्राई, अगर हम इस टाइप से कोई एंगल ट्राई करना चाहते हैं, सो वी कैन नॉट बी लोकेटेड यूनिकली, देयरफॉर द गिवन डेटा is not sufficient for construction of triangle ABC. Okay, understand? So it will be it cannot be possible to draw that type of triangle. Okay, so if two side and angle between them is given, then you can draw a triangle. Okay, now try to construct triangle ABC if AB and AC is given and angle B is given. So if what do we observe here? AB and AC is given. Okay, अगर हम AB भी AC भी ड्रॉ करेंगे, we can draw AC 5. now angle B आप कहाँ ड्रॉ करेंगे? यहाँ पर AB and AC is given. what do we observe? again triangle ABC cannot be constructed uniquely. thus we can conclude that a unique triangle can be constructed only if the length of its two sides and the measure of the included angle between them is given. Okay, understand? So then and then only the construction is possible. Okay, now let's see the our first question of 10.3. I hope you all are completed 10.2 in your geometry book. ओके, ज्योमेट्री वाली नोटबुक आपको पता है सबको किस टाइप से होती है, वो ज्योमेट्री बुक में आपको कंप्लीट कर लेना है 10.2. नाउ कंस्ट्रक्ट a triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 5 centimeter, DF is equal to 3 centimeter and measure of angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so how to construct this type of triangle? Let's see. So now here see 10.3 question number first. First we can draw a rough sketch of this exercise. Okay, so rough sketch हम ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. what is given? construct triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 5 centimeter, DF is equal to 3 centimeter and angle D is 90 degree. Okay, so when we draw this angle, so this is 5 centimeter DEF में, DF is 3 centimeter and angle D is 90 degree. EDF means जो angle D है that is our 90 degree angle. Okay, it's given. Okay, so this is our rough sketch. If you want to draw a triangle when two side and included angle is given. Okay, so see the rough sketch. Now here, so first of all we draw DE, that is 5 centimeter. Okay, understand? Draw DE is equal to 5 centimeter. Now D as a center, we can draw a angle of 90 degree. Okay, so D को सेंटर लेकर सबसे पहले आप कन्वीनियंट रेडियस लेकर के क्या करेंगे, ड्रॉ करेंगे एक आर्क. Draw an arc taking D as a center. Okay, now आपको ये रेडियस चेंज नहीं करना है. ओके, विदाउट चेंजिंग दिस रेडियस आपको डी पर जो पॉइंट मिल रहा है कट करता हुआ, वहाँ से आपको क्या करना है, वन मोर आर्क यू कैन ड्रॉ एंड वन मोर आर्क, वन अनदर आर्क यू कैन ड्रॉ हियर. ओके, नाउ दिस इज योर 60 डिग्री. अब इन दोनों आर्क के बीच में आप क्या करेंगे, एक और आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे सेंटर लेकर के. सो दिस इज योर 90 डिग्री एंगल. This is your 90 degree angle. Okay, understand? Or you can draw this angle with the help of protractor also. Okay, you can draw 90 degree angle with the help of protractor also. Okay. So this is your 90 degree. Now DF is also given, that is 3 centimeter. Okay, जो हमारा एक्स्ट्रा था उसको हमने इरेज कर दिया. नाउ DF is 3 centimeter. So taking 3 centimeter radius in your protractor, in your compass, and draw an arc on this line. Okay, understand? So taking 3 centimeter radius on compass, see this is 3 centimeter. Okay, so D as a center and cut this line. Okay, so where the line is cut, then it's our point F. Okay, this is our point F. Okay, now join EF. Okay, join EF. This is our required triangle DEF. Okay, so remember one thing, you can write all the measurement, all the scales on this construction. Okay, see आपने D लिया है 5 centimeter, so you have to write 5 centimeter. If DF is 3 centimeter, then you have to write 3 centimeter. Okay, and angle is 90 degree. Okay, understand? So this way you can write the name of angle. And last में आपको क्या लिखना है, this is our required triangle. Okay, and you can also write the point of construction also. Okay, what you can do here, first you can draw a line DE, that is 5 centimeter. Then you have to draw angle 90 degree, and then taking radius 3 centimeter and drawing the arc. Okay, understand? Now see question number 2. Construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal side is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. Okay, so here isosceles triangle है, means two sides are equal and उन two sides के बीच का एंगल कितना है, 110 degree. Okay, so draw first you have to draw rough sketch, and when you draw a rough sketch, so we can easily see how to draw the triangle. Okay, understand? So first of all we can draw a line, that is BC. Okay, BC is 6.5 centimeter. So draw the line BC, that is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, these 2 points is B and C, and what is the measurement? 6.5 centimeter. Okay, now we can draw with the help of protractor 110 degree angle with B. Okay, and we can put the protractor carefully here and 0 देखेंगे हम, where 0 is इनर साइड के स्केल पर है 0, सो हमें कौन सा वाला स्केल पढ़ना पड़ेगा? आउटसाइड, इनर साइड वाला. ओके, 90 and 110. Okay, so put this is our 110 degree angle. Okay, see carefully, 0 is inner scale, so we can read inner scale. Okay, understand? So it's our 110. Okay, now draw a line. ज्वाइन करेंगे हम B से. Okay, so this is our 110 degree. Okay, now हमें पता है कि BA जो है वो 6.5 सेंटीमीटर है. Okay, BA is 6.5 centimeter, so we can draw a arc with center B. B as a center and draw an arc of 6.5 centimeter. So we can get the point A. Okay, so we can get point A easily. Okay, taking B as a center, radius 6.5 and draw an arc. Okay, now this is your point A. Okay, join AC. Join AC. Okay, so this is your required triangle ABC. Okay, understand? So this is 6.5. So student, our third question is triangle ABC with BC is 7.5 centimeter, AC is 5 centimeter and measure of angle C is 60 degree. Okay, so here two sides and between angle is given. So first of all we can draw a rough sketch. Okay, so when we draw the rough sketch, so this is the rough sketch, 7.5 centimeter, 60 degree and 5 centimeter. Okay, understand? Now लेट्स ड्रॉ द, आप इस टाइप से ही बना सकते हैं ABC. ओके, वेयर बट AC, BC एंड AC इज गिवन. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई हमने ABC इस टाइप से लिया है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन ड्रॉ BC, दैट इज बेस. बेस इज अवर 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ द बेस 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. You have to measure carefully. Okay, so this is our BC, this our point B and point C, and this is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, understand? Now we have to draw angle 60 degree angle on C. C point पर हमें कितने डिग्री का एंगल बनाना है? 60 डिग्री का. Okay, understand? So when we want to draw the 60 डिग्री एंगल, so that is two way. आप प्रोटेक्टर की हेल्प से ही बना सकते हैं एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपास ऑल्सो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन ड्रॉ अ 60 डिग्री एंगल विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोटेक्टर. C पर हमें ये पॉइंट रखना है. ओके, और वो जो लाइन है वो पूरी तरह से उसे ओवरलैप कर लेना चाहिए. जो आपकी प्रोटेक्टर की ब्लैक लाइन है उसने आपकी लाइन को BC को पूरी तरह से ओवरलैप कर लेना चाहिए. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ हियर B आपको किस साइड पर दिख रहा है? इस साइड है. एंड 0 इज ऑन आउटसाइड, आउटर स्केल आपको पढ़ना है. Okay, you have to read outer scale. Understand? Here outer scale आपको दिख रहा है, so आपको कौन सा स्केल पढ़ना है? outer scale पढ़ना है. Okay, so with how many degree? That is 60 degree. So outer scale पर 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So you have to draw. This is our 60 degree. Okay, now इस पॉइंट को हमें C से ज्वाइन कर देना है. C से होते हुए इस पॉइंट को हमें आगे तक लाइन एक ड्रॉ कर लेनी है. Okay, understand? This is our 60 degree angle. Okay, now we have to draw 5 centimeter because CA is given, that is 5 centimeter. Okay, so C as a center and we can draw a CA. Okay, first of all we can find taking radius 5 centimeter on your compass and C as a center, cut our this line. Okay, so this is our 5 centimeter. Now we can join. This is our point A. Okay, so we get this point A on here. We can join AB also. Okay, हमें AB को join करना है. Okay, so we can join AB. Join AB, and what is the measurement of this? This is our 5 centimeter. So this is our required triangle, that is triangle ABC. Okay student, so 10.3 you have to complete in your notebook. Okay, so today we learn how to construct a triangle when the two line and between angle is given. Okay, that is SAS construction, means side angle side is given, then how to construct a triangle. Okay, understand? So complete this question in your notebook. Have a good day.